alaikum all of you. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. Okay, in the previous class, we have seen the scene 2 of my elder brother, right? And we have seen that final exams were over, the results came out, and the elder brother, that is Bhaiya, failed and Munna passed, right? Then we had only 2 years of difference between Bhaiya and Munna. Now, seeing that Bhaiya failed, Munna was saying that why to study a lot? See, I passed, right? And then on this, Bhaiya started scolding Munna a lot, right? Now we are going to start with scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. So, what do we understand from this scene? That again the full year passed by, and then again the results were out. And what happened? See, Bhaiya failed again. So he's failed the third time and he's in the same class for 3 years. Okay. Now Munna, he passed again. Now there was only 1 year difference between Bhaiya and Munna. For example, if Bhaiya is in ninth standard, Munna would be in 8th standard. Right? Now as Bhaiya failed for the third time, he became really very upset and he stopped scolding Munna. He stopped scolding Munna. He did not even, said Munna to continuously study. He stopped everything. He became really very soft with Munna. Okay, now let's start the scene. Munna. I'm lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Okay, so now Munna was saying to himself, okay, Munna was saying it loudly in front of Bhaiya, not in front of Bhaiya. Okay, he was all alone and he was saying it loudly that, see, I'm lucky, I can pass easily. And studying is, no, we don't have to study so hard to pass like my brother does. After studying so hard, also, my brother is failing. Okay, now he's saying that I'm lucky that I pass every year, and this year also I'll pass very luckily. So I can play games with my friends. Bhaiya is not going to say me anything, but yes, I have to be a little careful from Bhaiya if he see that he does not see me continuously playing outside. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Now, one day, what happened that see, when you fly kite in the sky and when the string breaks, right? When the string breaks, what happens? This kite, it starts to fly down, right? And many children might have done this when they might be small. That when a kite starts to come down slowly, we run behind it to catch it, isn't it? So same way the flight was slowly coming, kite was flying downward slowly. And what was Munna doing? Munna was running behind the kite, looking at the kite, and he was running to grab it. What is the meaning of grab means catch. Suddenly he comes face to face with Bhaiya, and he was, as looking in the sky, and suddenly he came face to face. Means he was running, he did not notice Bhaiya, but Bhaiya came in front of him. Bhaiya, catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? Now, as Bhaiya got very angry seeing Munna, playing and flying kites and everything, right? So now Bhaiya, he holded Munna's hand. Okay, and then he was saying very strictly that, are you not feeling shameful for playing outside continuously, flying kites, right? He's saying that now you're in 8th standard. Being in 8th standard is not like your 5th standard and you can pass it easily. You have to study as you are in 8th standard now. If you think that I'm just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you're wrong. Now, Bhaiya is saying, Munna, that if you think that I have failed for 3 years and I'm not going to say you anything because I'm just one class ahead of you. Don't think that. Okay, I am 5 years older than you, and you will always be, and will always be. So now, Bhaiya is saying that I am 5 years elder to you. Though I'm one class ahead, I'm 5 years elder to you, right? And I will always be elder to you. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed fifth class. Now, Bhaiya, he was explaining Munna. What was he explaining Munna? That see, if you think that I'm in one class and it doesn't, that understanding, that experience, that does not come only by studying, right? If you look at our parents, our mother did not go to school, our father, he passed only fifth standard, right? But still they have more experience, they understand everything more than us, right? So Bhaiya was explaining all this, that if you think I'm one class ahead to you, I cannot say anything that you are wrong. Munna, really, Bhaiya? Is that true? Now he might have come to know for the first time that our parents are not educated, right? So he's saying that, is that true? Now Bhaiya is saying, yes, there are thousand things that they know more than you and me. So now Bhaiya is explaining, and even you might have, seen in your hearts that our parents, they know everything more than us, right? And why is it so? Because they have more experience, they have lived life more than us. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, see, even if we have studied the wisdom, what is the meaning of wisdom over here? Wisdom means knowledge. Okay, so even if we have the knowledge of the entire world, you may go in any corner of the world and study. You may have how much ever knowledge, no, you might have taken or have it, but still your parents always have the right to scold you, right to correct you when you are wrong. Don't think that if you have knowledge and if you have studied, it means that you cannot make mistakes, right? Our parents, we make mistakes, and our parents have the right to explain us, to correct us. Now many of you might be doing this at home, that if you're doing something in the mobile phone, for example, if you're doing something in the mobile phone and your parents may not be understanding, so what do we say them, what do we reply them when they ask us, you won't understand it? Is this the reply that we should give to our parents? No. They, though how much ever big you grow, how much, whatever age is yours, if you have parents, they can correct us at any age, at any time. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Now, Bhaiya is giving an example, a situation to Munna. What situation he's giving? He's saying that, what will you do if I get sick? If I'm not well, what are you going to do? So Munna says, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he will rush to the hostel. Now Munna is saying that if you get sick, and I surely don't know what to be done, right? I'll call Baba and he'll come. I'll call our father and he'll come to the hostel room. Bhaiya, aha, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he will call a doctor. So now Bhaiya is saying that, I knew you would have answered this, but if our father comes, he will not get panic. Oh, my son is ill, what should I do? Our parents won't react like this. Even if you get ill, what do our parents do? They check us, they examine us, they think, they find, try to find out what is wrong, what was wrong, and then they call a doctor, right? So it is the experience that says us, right? Baba would know exactly what to do. They would have more experience than us. So yes, our parents, they have more experience than us. So they know what to be done in which situation. Yes. So what is over here Bhaiya trying to explain, Munna? He's trying to explain that whoever is elder to you, though it may be one class ahead, two class ahead, or it may be your parents or your elder brothers, your elder sister, or whoever it is, they always have a right to scold you, to correct you, to tell you the difference between what is wrong and what is right. Okay, now listening to all this, what will Munna do? Munna, with tears in his eyes. Now see, as Bhaiya was explaining all this, Munna got emotional. Bhaiya, I'm sorry, what you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. So now Munna accepted that, Bhaiya, whenever you scold me, whatever you say me, it's all correct, and what you're saying is also correct. Now Bhaiya and Munna hugs. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Now Bhaiya is saying that, what do you think? I don't like to play. I also like to play. I also like to fly kites. But if I also go out and play the whole day, what will you learn from me? Right, even now you think about yourself. If you are the eldest, you might have seen your younger ones copying, right? अगर आप खेलने जाते हो तो वो भी आपके पीछे पीछे खेलने आते हैं, है ना? So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That your younger ones follow what you do. So if you are an elder one, make sure what you do is right, your actions are right, so that the younger ones learn something good from you. If you also sit with the mobile phone the whole day playing games, the younger one is also going to do the same, right? So Munna, at last he understands that yes, my bhaiya, whenever he says whatever he says, though he may fail, though he failed multiple times, but he is elder to me, he has more experience, and he has right to say me everything. So at last Munna says, I love you, bhaiya. Right? So from this story, from this drama, what do we get to learn? We get to learn that we need to respect our elders. It may be your elder brother, your elder sister, your mother, your father, whoever it is. You need to respect them. You need to listen to them, whatever they say, right? Or else, then at last, later on, you are going to suffer. Okay, so I hope you have learned something good today. Okay, see you soon with the next topic in your next class. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section.